TJ Ortman here with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Here we have a 2004 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer. As you come up on the transom here, you see that it will have the sea deck on the swim platform. Then off the back here, you will have your fender storage as well as your hookups for shore power and fresh water. As you come into the boat here, you'll see you have nice seating in the back here. The seat will also slide out into a little lounger. You got the nice snap-in carpet. You got a wet bar off to the starboard side. And this one is included with the camper package, and it does have the fiberglass arch. Got all your gauges up here at the helm. You do have your flip-up bolsters, and the boat is equipped with trim tabs. And then down here you have access down into the cabin. It does have the carpet runners. You got your V-berth to the front. And then towards the rear you will have your aft cabin as well. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax at 428-4126. And as always, like the video and please subscribe to keep updated on our future videos.